my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
The next cocktail is a really refreshing drink called the Daiquiri. Now, a lot of you may have had a Daiquiri that was sort of slushy style, huge portion in a big glass. Well, we're not making that sort of Daiquiri. We're making the classic one, which is just 3 ingredients. It's good white rum, fresh lime juice, and simple syrup. That's it. Shaken, served straight up. So with that, we're gonna get our glass, serving it straight up. So I'm just gonna add some ice to chill it down. So I've got my cocktail glass, and that's gonna be chilling. This is a shaken cocktail. So I've got my shaker tin, and I'm gonna add my rum. And it's 2 ounces of rum. Okay, next up, I'm gonna have fresh lime juice. Got my whole lime, just gonna cut that in half. I'm making this as fresh as I possibly can, and we're gonna squeeze 3/4, 0.75 ounces of lime. Add that to the shaker tin. Now for balance, we add our simple syrup, and it's 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Once we have that, we just need to add ice and shake. Got my shaker, fill it full of ice. Get the large shaker, put it on top, give it a bit of a tap, just gives it the seal. Now we're just gonna shake this hard. The key to a good daiquiri is by shaking it hard, we add some good texture in there, and you really taste it on the mouthfeel. So 5 to 8 seconds, give it one hell of a shake. Whew. Okay, separate the shakers. Get rid of the ice in our cocktail glass. And we're gonna wanna double strain this cocktail. So we take our strainer, put that on the shaker tin, double strainer, gets rid of all the little bits of ice that we've just shaken so hard, gets rid of the little bits of lime, makes the cocktail very clean. And then we just pour that in. And there we have a perfect pour. What is nice, because I shook it so hard, you can see little bubbles in the drink. That's just the texture. And then garnish, just very simple. Lime is in the cocktail. Just a thin lime wheel. And just drop that in there. And that there is the real and classic way to make the daiquiri.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.